store manager for Boutique Cheap Chic. It's a women's clothing boutique here on Kirkwood. Most of our stores, other stores, are college-based towns, but also we are big on community and getting set into the community. We do different things for nonprofits. Last month, teamed up with My Sister's Closet and gave them a gift card, and they did rally and made money off of it, and it helps them out, and that helps women in general finding employment and those things and being dressed nicely. So we really want to, we're still getting our feet in to the community, but we want to delve into it and really get based here in Bloomington and get to know the community better. And it's fun to learn a lot from the different businesses. Even though, you know, we all are different in some way, we want to come together for the community, and we all have the same goal. Bloomington is a fun city, and I think there's a lot of different type of people, and I think that's what makes it so great. And that's another reason why we did choose this location. And yeah, they kind of did open up with open arms, and I was surprised how open everybody was. Like, whether the feedback was negative or positive from the stores. Cohesiveness is like the key to a lot of things, and if we're not cohesive in the same idea, working towards the same goal, I don't think that it would be possible for any of us to be successful as we are or plan to be, and I think it definitely helps. So. We're a new store, so the outreach was crazy. Like, they came to me, and you know, I'm of course doing a lot of outreach elsewhere, you know, trying to get the word out there and everything, but it was nice to have someone come to me and help me with that, and I think that's helped a lot.